Miami Mustang gang. All verts. All rentals.
After these messages, we'll be right back.
That's what y'all doing, Miami? That's what y'all doing? What up? It's your boy Stunner Reese, and I'm back with another video, man. And today, as y'all can see by my background, I am in Miami. That's right, man. I'm out here on South Beach on Washington, and I just found me a park, man. And actually, I've been here since yesterday, but I didn't vlog at all yesterday because I've been actually looking at apartments, and I actually looked at 3 apartments, man. Woo, woo, woo. So I'm actually already 100% approved for one of them, but I still wanted to take a look at some other options, and I pretty much had set that one up all the way before I even came down here. So I had that one pretty much in line, but I am looking at other options, like I said, and man, the one that I actually seen today, though, y'all, oh my God, oh my God, oh my gosh. Now, the only bad thing with that one is that they are definitely wanting check stubs, and I'm like, why is it so, you know what I'm saying, important to have check stubs if y'all see making the income? So I don't know. I think that's just a ploy to actually deter, you know what I'm saying, people from moving in, you know what I'm saying? Because, yeah, I just don't get that. I just don't get it, because, guys, the other place approved me without check stubs, without a problem. So it's just one of those things where you just never, ever, ever know, you know, what the real deal is until you know what I'm saying, apply. I think they might have seen the melanin in my skin and it was a little suspect. So yeah, it is what it is, man. But I got another one that I'm supposed to look at tomorrow. Oh my God, the one I'm supposed to look at tomorrow, man, I think it might top them all though. But man, look how beautiful it is, man. 80 degrees today out here, beautiful weather, palm trees, just beautiful, gorgeous day. And man, I am actually about to grab me something to eat, and yeah, get out here and see what today brings me. Now, this is the new Robin Jean store that they've been trying to open up for quite some time now. It is finally open. Yeah, I remember actually going to the location they have in Fort Lauderdale, and they was telling me that this store was coming. Well, it is finally here, man. Robin Jeans Miami. Robin Jeans Miami. So yeah. But yeah, gang, that's what it is. But I'm about to grab me some food and get to some chow, and I will holler at y'all when I am done eating, because I have not eaten anything all day. It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm not lying. I ate a banana. Yeah, that's all I ate all day. It was one banana. All right? Yeah. So, all right, I'll holler at y'all. That's the weed spot right there, y'all. Oh man, he got them pounds. All right, holler at y'all. All right, gang, so your boy Stunner Reese that made it over here to one of my favorite parts of Miami, South Beach, man, and that is the actual gym area where you get to work out, man, right here in the beautiful sunshine. People over here working out, getting it in, you know what I'm saying? The guy over there behind the gentleman in the yellow shirt, he used to be here when I was here over the summer, so he definitely is dedicated and sticking to it. You know what I'm saying? I see they got a couple of new cars that's permanently fixated on the strip, man, and we need to make Ocean one of them cars, man. Yeah, y'all need to have Ocean as one of the cars, man, that's fixated on the strip. That red car was definitely not here. And then there's a teal green looking car. Let's see if we can find it. Right there. There's a little bit of the back of it. It's a teal green car as well. That's kind of like fixated on the strip. Now there's a yellow and white car that's been here. That was here already. Yeah, that one right there. That one was here already here. But yeah, as far as the other ones, those are new. And yeah, guys. So you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. But man, I'm just out here enjoying the weather. I know today is Thursday, so it's gonna actually probably pick up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? A little bit later. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon right now. So, but you know, a lot of people coming into town starting tonight, and then of course tomorrow, y'all already know a lit situation and scenario. Then on Saturday, guys, I am going to a supercar Saturday that is basically a supercar show, and then they having something else on Sunday. So we're gonna have 2 days of car content coming up real soon from Miami, man, via Miami. Now I actually was going to go to the Corvette meet last night, but guys, I'm gonna be honest with you, I drove like a wild crazy man 23 hours straight to get here. Actually it was a little less than 23 hours because I actually was making some good time, but you know the GPS basically said 23 hours, so a little less than, I probably knocked an hour off. So let's say 22 hours straight of driving. No, I'm sorry, hold on, my bad. It said 21 hours. I think I made it here in 20 hours. So yeah, but yeah, no, I came all the way straight through from Chicago straight to Miami. Only made 4 gas stops and that was it. So, you know, man, long haul Reese. That's what y'all gonna start calling me. Some people call me Road Runner Reese, but it is definitely World Tour Reese for sure. And I'm excited, guys. I'm excited to see this apartment tomorrow, man. I wish I could show y'all, but I gotta keep it 100 with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, got some weird people who prey on my downfall. So I don't want to show anything just yet until I actually get moved in, because some people would, you know what I'm saying, go and try to say some negative stuff to the people to try to, you know what I'm saying, make a downfall. I see them trying to do it with Mr. Organic and things like that, and you know what I'm saying, my dog Mr. Organic, and you know, it's just sometimes you just got to move in silence with when it comes to these creepy, you know, people with no lives. You gotta not give them any type of leeway or heads up on you, you know what I'm saying, so they could, you know, be up on you and try to contact the rental people and be like, oh man, yeah, this guy here, blah, 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 you know what I'm saying, and say any goofy shit, you know what I'm saying. And then, you know, these people down here, they are definitely moving different. It's not like they desperate for people to move into their places. They have pretty much, you know, millionaires and people all over trying to facilitate their units. So it's not like in, south side of Chicago or the west side of Chicago, where, you know what I'm saying, you hoping somebody will be, interested in your place. Your place might sit on the market for a little minute. Hold on, I don't know what we got there. Got a prowler? Yeah. Creeping through. Looking good too. But yeah, gang, it got like a custom paint on it or something. Definitely, yeah, it got custom flames on the front. Kind of dope. But Lady X is calling me, so I gotta call y'all. Well, not call y'all. I ain't gotta call y'all. I gotta holler right back at y'all in a minute. All right, let's get it. Alright, gang, so your boy Stunner Reese, man, just got off the phone with my dog Angel, and I just got off the phone with my dog BT. Angel is in Connecticut, and BT, he is down here in Miami, y'all already know. And y'all, if y'all haven't seen BT in a while, well, y'all know BT is my dog. Angel is my dog, but BT, boy, he finna have it lit. He gonna link up with me a little later on, so yeah, you already know. He was just telling me the vibe because, he live here. He was telling me that normally on Thursdays, it'd be kind of calm in the daytime, but at night, he said, yeah, it's going to definitely come alive because that's when everybody get into town. Well, I pretty much already knew that, but hey, you know what I'm saying? He just verified it for me. But we're about to take a walk down the strip and, you know what I'm saying, just see what we see, man, for the day, man. That's it, that's all. It's going to be a real chill. Oh, don't bust your ass, my boy. Gonna be a real chill situation and scenario, so yeah. Little Porsche truck right there. Guys, if y'all want to know something super crazy, it's a guy on YouTube called 4K Florida. Guys, this dude make mega money filming Miami Ocean Drive and other little strips like this, just walking like this. That's all he do. He don't talk, he don't say nothing, he just do like this. This is his whole video, chasing booties like this. This is what he'll do. Like this girl right here in front, he'll just walk behind her and show her booty. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, I think he low-key. Yeah. But he be definitely just doing videos like that, making bank, y'all. Crazy. So, this is my impression of Mr. 4K. And then he be having the camera bouncing too like this. Cause you could tell he walking. Be like this. I be cracking up. They love that car, boy. That car get 1 million pictures a day. 1 million. Wait till that thing down here, though. Wait till that thing down here, though. Ooh-wee. Yeah. Ocean on ocean. Ocean on ocean. Gonna be a movie. Yeah, movie coming soon. Starring Stunner Reese and the gang. Oh shit. About to get somebody a ticket. Definitely about to get a ticket. Look how he walking, y'all. He on his ass. I'm on your ass. I'm on your ass. Boom. Got him. Yeah, he had better days. Definitely had better days. They be on it. Definitely be on it. Can't lie about that.
Okay, I'm gonna stop.
Oh. You see some funny ass shit down here. I ain't gonna hold you. You get to see some funny ass shit down here. It's just always some type of characters down here. I swear to God. Can't always see it on camera though, because I don't want y'all to think I'm a jerk and heartless.
¿Cuál es la idea? ¿Subir la sombrilla? Para frenar más rápido. Si venía pasito puedes frenar más. Pero cambiado.
Drop in the comments, tell me what they was talking about, gang. What the hell was they talking about? Spotted some over there. I don't even know what they got going on over here. But let me show you what I can show y'all. For sure, for sure. Excuse me, guys. Yeah, I see a little blue vet coming up. Oh shit. Gotta deal with that copyright though. Every now and then. Gotta definitely deal with that copyright. Every now and then. Gotta definitely deal with that copyright. Unless you talk over it. Because if you talk over it, then, you know what I'm saying, it ain't as bad. Oh shit, 50 already got his money. 50 already paid. So let me try to see if I can do what I need to do so that I get mine. Yeah. What? Yeah. What? No. No, 50. Man. Look at that banger. There's some nice stuff in there. Be having some heat. Shorty right there in the white right there. Y'all already got y'all money. Oh no, is this my homie? Is this my homie? It is. How you been? You been good? Yeah. I'm back. I'll see you around. Okay. All right. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is. We outside for sure though. Now it's a spot that opened up down here called, I think, Wildin' Out or whatever. Nick Cannon got something to do with it. I haven't been there yet, but I'll definitely get a chance to check it out and see what's to it while I'm here. That's one of the goals, is to see what's to that spot. Oh my God, dude stink. Oh, he bogus as fuck. Golly. Can't believe he outside smelling like that. Need his ass beat. For sure, for sure. Need his ass beat. Definitely. Definitely. That shit crazy. Hell yeah. Definitely need his ass beat.
I bet you're already gone.
Right, here go the spot. Nick Cannon, Wildin' Out Bar right here. Right next to Versace, man. Got the Versace mansion here, y'all. Dude got a Tesla bike, man. Dude right here riding, he on a Tesla bike, y'all. That motherfucker cold as hell. I'm gonna try to see if I can get y'all some more in-depth videos of it, man, of video footage of it. Versace mansion. Definitely want to check that bike out, man. I'm gonna see if I can get Buddy to stop one day if I see him out here and let me check that bike out like all the way to the max and get a real review on that thing. Shit crazy though. For real. Yeah. Other part of the strip is definitely the more popping side. Oh, they got the new Mustang Verts out here for the rentals already. Ain't gonna waste no time getting them rentals out. No time at all getting them rentals out. Mustang gonna make sure they get them rentals out. Ooh, it's a nice ass G-Wagon though. Ooh, satin black, just like I like it. Oh, look at this motherfucking Ghost though. Buddy popping out the Ghost. Okay. Oh, that's a Phantom.
You're right.
From Ohio. Them Ohio players. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's his. Is that yours? Yeah, it's mine. He said that quick. Yeah, it's mine. Thank you, thank you. Got a handshake. All right. All right, guys, that's pretty much gonna wrap this up. I'll holler at you in a minute. Let's get it. It had better days. Guys, so your boy Stunner Reachman is walking down Washington. I have to go to the store, grab me some drink, and guys, I just seen a lady out here on Washington Boulevard breastfeeding a baby. Yeah, craziest thing ever seen. Yeah, but that's not the reason I cut back on the camera. I cut back on the camera because I just thought about it, guys. So one of the apartments that I went to today, the one that I told you that's requiring check stubs, I'm going to actually insert clips of that building because I'm not moving there. Not because of the check stubs, because they actually contacted me back because they see my credit score and everything. And they seen, you know, income. But I'm going to show y'all that because they contacted me back. They said they want to proceed, but they don't do 6-month leases. So that's kind of like a deal breaker for me. So I'm going to install some clips of that place just so y'all can check it out, man. I thought it was pretty dope. Excuse me. Yeah, I thought it was pretty dope. So I want to install some clips of that, and then y'all drop in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. Yeah, we talking about big dog shit. Let's go. This is nice. I like this. Alright, gang, so that was just a little small smidget of a description of the property, but it is a studio with a beautiful kitchen. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. Has all the appliances and everything in it. Very, very nice. It is, of course, as you've seen, unfurnished. I would have to get my own furniture of that one. But man, I'll tell you, the view from the balcony, I'm telling you, legendary, unbelievably unreal. You can see the whole water and everything from the view. Man, it's one of them ones, but they just ain't letting your boy be great. Talking about check stubs, man. But the bathroom was really nice, had a nice shower in there. Nice sinks, everything. In laundry unit, comes with 2 parking spaces, everything. But man, that 1-year lease, yeah, and on top of that, the check stubs just ain't a good look. Just ain't a good look. But yeah, gang, I'm still out here, man, in the nightlife, in the scene, checking out the sights and sounds. I'm just gonna get y'all a little bit of the South Beach vibe on a Thursday, and gonna link with my bros a little later. I'm gonna holler at Dollar, and I'll holler at BT. So yeah, but that might not be on this video because I'm trying to get this video up. So I'll holler at y'all, man. Y'all just stick around, stay tuned. Let's get it. Miami Mustang Gang. All verts. All rentals.
A few moments later.
Never in a million years. 2 minutes later, another group of Mustangs pull up. Verts. What the hell? Must be a Mustang convention. So your boy Stunner Reese, man, has officially sat down after getting me something to drink. Yeah. Got some peace tea, man. Peace tea. Yeah. Definitely not as good as the Arizona, but hey, it's what they had, man. But guys, I just want to say, man, I appreciate y'all. Guys, going on this journey with me, moving down here to beautiful Miami. You know what I'm saying? With all the sights and sounds and everything that's gonna be happening down here. Yeah. And no, this video was not clickbait because I did not get approved for the one apartment. But I do have another showing tomorrow at 4 p.m. I'm super excited about that one. From the look of the pictures, it looked like it's gonna be extra dope, super like laid back player type shit. And you know what I'm saying, it's, you know what I'm saying, going for a decent price. Also, I have found out, and people have told me that some of the apartments down here do be clickbaitish though. You know what I'm saying? You'll go and expect to see something that was in the photos, but yeah, they be making different angles and they'll show you an apartment like it, but it ain't the actual apartment and stuff like that. So I don't know if that's what's gonna happen tomorrow, but guys, I'm hoping for the best. I'm hoping that, you know, we're gonna make it something happen, something shake, and everybody, you know what I'm saying, gonna get a chance to actually, you know what I'm saying, see this Miami content coming from your boy Stunner Reese, aka World Tour Reese. Also, like I said, I am approved 100% for the original place that I applied for and sent all the information in before I even came down here. But like I said, I want to just explore my options. So, you know, that's the case with that. You know, that's the instance. But we gonna see, man. But yeah, just like that, man, this video is over. Wait a minute, hold on. What we got right here? Y'all know what go down in Miami now. Y'all definitely know what go down in Miami now. Don't act like y'all don't know. It's on and popping, man. Make sure y'all go ahead and click the link in the description and get that merch, you know what I'm saying? Get that Galati Black apparel. And also, don't forget, click for the Choose Your SS Cullinan Vibes Choose Your SS giveaway, man. Yeah. But I'm gonna try to shoot another video tonight. I just want to get this one up. So, hey, that's what it is, man. But this video is over, man. I'll holler at y'all on the next one. It's your boy Stunner Reese. I'm out from Miami. That's right, man. Miami Reese. And I'm gone. Peace.
A few moments later.
Alright, gang. As I was editing this video, trying to close it out, I just got a text from that real estate agent saying that that unit has been put under contract. So, going back to what I was just saying, I think it's a lot of that. They'll show units to kind of like get you to call and get your contact information. And then when you call, something will be going on with the unit, so you don't actually get an opportunity to see the clickbait that they actually get you in. Yeah, it's like clickbait. It's like YouTube. Yeah, so yeah, I think that's what's going on with that particular unit. But hey, we're gonna see what we can see. Still, the search is still on. Like I said, I'm already approved for the one place, but man, I really would like to see something else. But yeah, now the video is officially over with. I'm out, man. Peace.